Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Glenboro, Manitoba, a small town with big prairie character. This community sits near the edge of Spruce Woods Provincial Park, making it a great gateway for outdoor adventures. Glenboro was founded in the early 1880s when the Canadian Pacific Railway extended through the area, bringing new settlers and opportunities. The town got its name from one of its founding fathers, James Duncan, from the Scottish term Borough of the Glen. Farming quickly became the backbone of Glenboro's economy, and that rural spirit is still strong today. One of the town's most iconic landmarks is Sara the Camel, a large statue that pays tribute to the nearby sand dunes in the park. With its tree-lined streets and relaxed pace, Glenboro is a peaceful place to pause and take in the beauty of rural Manitoba. Whether you're passing through or planning a longer stay, Glenboro has something special to offer. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Glenboro, Manitoba. You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. On a clear day, the sky here would normally be a bright blue, but smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It softens the light and gives the sky a pale, hazy appearance. Wildfire smoke can travel a long way and affect skies and air quality even in places far from the actual fires. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months.